Have you ever wished your laptop could do more than just browse the web or run basic applications? What if it could transform into a full-fledged business communication hub, complete with phone calls, video meetings, and team messaging, all integrated seamlessly? Well, if you're asking, can I use RingCentral on my laptop? You're about to discover a world of possibilities that will absolutely revolutionize how you work and connect. In today's fast-paced, often remote or hybrid work environment, effective communication is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. We're constantly juggling emails, switching between various chat platforms, enduring clunky video conferencing tools, and perhaps even relying on a separate desk phone. This fragmented approach isn't just inefficient, it's a major drain on productivity and can lead to missed opportunities. Imagine a single platform where all your essential communication tools reside, easily accessible from the device you already use most, your laptop. That's the promise of RingCentral, and the answer to our burning question is a resounding yes. RingCentral isn't just compatible with your laptop, it's designed to thrive on it. Whether you're a Windows warrior or a Mac maestro, RingCentral offers a robust desktop application that brings the entire suite of its powerful unified communications features right to your fingertips. This isn't some watered-down mobile version or a limited web interface. We're talking about the full, uncompromised RingCentral experience. So, how exactly does this magic happen? It all starts with the RingCentral desktop app. This application transforms your laptop into a sophisticated business phone system, a high-definition video conferencing hub, and a dynamic team messaging platform, all wrapped up in one intuitive interface. Let's break down the core functionalities you gain by running RingCentral on your laptop. First and foremost, you get a full-featured soft phone. This means your laptop becomes your business phone. You can make and receive calls using your business number, access your voicemail, manage call forwarding, and even park calls, all directly from your computer. No more fumbling for a separate desk phone or relying solely on your mobile. Your laptop, with a good headset, becomes your primary communication device, offering crystal clear HD voice quality. This is particularly beneficial for those who spend a lot of time on calls, as it frees them from being tethered to a physical phone. Beyond just phone calls, the RingCentral desktop app excels at video conferencing. You can host and join unlimited video meetings with ease, complete with screen sharing, in-meeting chat, recording capabilities, and even live transcription. Imagine seamlessly transitioning from a team message discussion to an impromptu video call with a single click, all within the same application. This level of integration streamlines workflows and eliminates the frustrating delays often associated with switching between different communication tools. Whether you're presenting to clients, collaborating with remote team members, or conducting one-on-one check-ins, the video capabilities on your laptop through RingCentral are truly enterprise-grade. Team messaging is another cornerstone of the RingCentral desktop experience. Forget about scattered conversations across multiple apps. With RingCentral on your laptop, you can engage in instant messaging with individuals or groups, share files, assign and manage tasks, and even send SMS messages. All your team communications are consolidated in one place, making it incredibly easy to stay organized, keep track of projects, and ensure everyone is on the same page. The ability to quickly share documents, images, and other files directly within your chat threads further enhances collaboration and reduces the need to jump between different applications. One of the key advantages of using the desktop app over just the web version, although the web app is also incredibly capable, is the deeper integration with your operating system. This often translates to more robust performance, better notification management, and potentially even more seamless hardware integration, like with your headset or webcam. The desktop app is designed for optimal performance on your specific machine, ensuring a smoother and more reliable communication experience, especially for high-bandwidth activities like video calls. Now, you might be wondering about system requirements. The good news is that RingCentral is designed to be accessible. For Windows users, you'll generally need Windows 10 or later, an x64-based 2 GHz processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 500 MB of free storage. Mac users will need macOS 11 Big Sur or later, an Intel or Apple Silicon processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 500 MB of free storage. These are fairly standard specifications for most modern laptops, meaning you likely already have a device that's more than capable of running RingCentral effectively. Of course, a stable internet connection is paramount for any cloud-based communication solution, with at least 3 megabits per second download and upload speed per user recommended for optimal performance, especially for video. The beauty of the RingCentral desktop app extends beyond its core features. It also integrates seamlessly with many of the business applications you already use daily. Think about integrations with Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Zendesk, and many more. This means you can initiate calls, send messages, or schedule meetings directly from within your CRM, email client, or calendar, further streamlining your workflows and reducing context switching. This level of interoperability is a game changer for businesses looking to enhance efficiency and productivity across their entire ecosystem. Furthermore, RingCentral's commitment to security and reliability means your communications are protected. With encrypted data networks and robust infrastructure, you can have peace of mind knowing your calls, messages, and video meetings are secure. This is crucial for businesses handling sensitive information or operating in regulated industries. In essence, using RingCentral on your laptop transforms it into a unified communications powerhouse. It empowers you to work more efficiently, collaborate more effectively, and stay connected from virtually anywhere. Whether you're in the office, working from home, or on the go, your laptop, powered by RingCentral, becomes the ultimate tool for modern business communication. It's about breaking down communication silos and creating a truly integrated, flexible, and powerful workspace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.